In this video, I will be sharing multiple ideas of styling this beautiful sheen satin skirt. It's from a brand called Alcia Rosea. It's elasticated, so provides a decent hold. I've sized up for a forgiving, comfortable fit. Fabric is soft and beautiful to touch, almost like butter. So first styling it with the light gold satin slip, which is also from the same brand. Link to both the slip and the skirt will be in the description box and my Amazon storefront. Now adding a short waistcoat to jazz it up, pairing it with strappy heels for a feminine touch with a simple thrifted vintage clutch, jewelry keeping it simple with a pendant necklace. The waistcoat being short adds definition to the waist, keeping the buttons open provides a playful vibe with volume and movement. This time, I'm going for a longer cardigan for giving length, using a belt to add drama and an element of interest. I prefer keeping the buttons open while stretching the fabric underneath. I think it sits well, making your look expensive. I think this is my most preferred way of styling the skirt out of all the looks with an oversized blazer. This look can be worn to the office and can be taken further to party. Rolling the sleeves up makes it look semi-formal, which I enjoy a lot. This time, styling with a satin shirt but with a hack. Since tucking could create a bulge in the skirt, I just fold the excess fabric up, gather it together to the back and with a hair tie and tuck it in. But for giving this look a finesse, a belt is a must. It covers up the lines of the skirt and shirt, making it one seamless outfit. Tall boots and a printed shirt could be another way to play up with your style. This look could be great for spring, fall or summer. Easy peasy outfit with a punch. This is an easy look that doesn't need description. Just a striking fun t-shirt or crop top. Tall boots add a fun element. Nothing can go wrong with a sequin. Heavy fabric falls well, making a very elegant put-together outfit. Wear it for a party, bridal shower, dinner date, lunch or dinner with your friends and family, or even as a guest at a wedding. It will check all the boxes. This is another fave of mine. It's time to party, people. That kind of an outfit. A sequin and a fringe top. Very playful and ready to hit the dance floor kind of a vibe going on here. And now a recap. And this is it, my friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you in my next video. Until then, take care and wishing you all a very happy new year.